YouTube, it's your girl Melissa coming back at you with another product review. In today's video, I am going to be presenting a product that I found online. This particular product is what is bringing me the glowing skin that you're seeing. So I actually completed a sunless tanning regimen last night and I am here with my summer faux tan. So today I'm going to be presenting the Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Kit by Coco Eve. And I'm really excited to bring this information to the channel because as the weather starts to warm up, I definitely want to make sure that all of my viewers are getting that beautifully bronzed skin and doing it safely. I stopped tanning in tanning beds just a few short years ago, and I can definitely speak to the fact that it does definitely affect the skin in a negative way. So at my age, I can't really afford to do that anymore. So I wanted to try to find a product that I enjoyed, that was affordable, that worked well, and that didn't have that awful biscuit smell that we all have come to know of sunless tanning solutions. I've tried different things such as Saint-Tropez, obviously all of the drugstore brands, you know, your Jergens Natural Glow, and all of those types of products. And I've never really found one that I think is within a respectable budget and also effective. So I am here today to bring you one that I actually think ticks all of the boxes. Before I dive into the review, if you are new to my channel and this is the kind of content that you enjoy, I would love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. When you purchase any product from Coco Eve, you have the peace of mind of knowing that it is free of all of the nasties. Coco Eve uses a revolutionary 100% natural DHA. It is 100% vegan, silicone-free, cruelty-free, toxin-free, PETA approved, gluten-free, ethically sourced, and paraben-free. And the reason why that's so important to me is because anytime that you're putting a chemical process on your skin is the largest organ in your body. And without having a lot of scientific research behind products that go into the skincare market, without having to need an FDA approval or any kind of government approval, it's really willy-nilly out there. Like, it's like the wild, wild west. It makes me extremely uneasy to use unnatural products. It's extremely critical for me that anything that I am putting on such a large part of my body is natural. And I don't know of another sunless tanning product that can make those claims. So I was extremely impressed when I saw that on their website, and I knew that I had to give it a try and find out if it was really worth all of the hype that I saw on Instagram. So fast forward to the last couple of months, I actually really do enjoy the product. One thing that I absolutely despise about other sunless tanners is the smell. The smell of a lot of these drugstore brands, even some of the higher end brands like Saint-Tropez, leave your skin smelling like burnt flesh biscuits. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to smell like that. Even if I'm just going to bed, I don't want my bedding or my pillows or my sheets to have that smell. The other thing about Coco Eve that I really enjoy is that after about a half an hour of the application process, you don't have to worry about it rubbing off onto your clothing. Coco Eve dries really quickly. So within 20 to 30 minutes, your skin's not tacky, it doesn't have that sticky feeling. In fact, the first time that I applied it, I actually ended up needing to do something almost immediately after my application process, and I ended up getting dressed. I wore like a black dress that day, and I was out doing things all day with the fresh application. That's how much confidence that I have that I'm not going to smell, that it's not looking streaky, and that I'm not embarrassing myself out in the world. It helps to blur pigmentation and even skin tone. I love that the actual sunless tanner itself does have coloring to it already. It helps to give you a guide so that you have a flawless application. Some sunless tanners and some of these lotions don't have coloring, so when you're applying them, you're not really sure where you're going with it, and that can lead to the streaking and the discoloration of your skin. I definitely really love the coloring that the Coco Eve provides. I think that it's probably one of the most natural, if not the most natural, sunless tanner that I've found. The other thing about Coco Eve that I really enjoy is that it is developed with a green-gray base so that you don't have that orangey fake and bake look. So I really, really like that. One other thing that I really enjoy about the Coco Eve line is that they do have 3 different shades. So there is a medium that's just going to kind of give you that subtle, maybe the beginning of spring and summer glow. There's dark, and that's the shade that I'm using, so you can kind of get an idea of how that would look. And then there is an ultra dark, and that is for a deep, rich, really, really glowing tan. I also recommend that for people who already have pigment to their skin, because that's just going to give them a richer, deeper glow. It's by far my favorite application process of any other brand that I've used in the past. With all of that being said, it is no surprise that this product comes with a 4.8 star rating on their website, and through Trustpilot and other sources, they have great reviews as well. As always, I did extensive research on Coco Eve before deciding to try the product, and I am so happy that I did. It's going to bring me the glow that I'm looking for this summer. This is the dark Coco Eve Sunny Honey Sunless Tanner, and this goes a long way. Like just one little pump, you know, you can do your whole arm. So it's really gonna last a long time. I've used this several times, and it's probably still like to right here. So I'm gonna be able to get, I don't even know how many uses out of it, but it's a big bottle. The thing that I really love about the application process with this, obviously you see where you're putting the product, which is amazing, but they actually provide in the kit this really cute soft velvet tan mitt. So it helps with the application process so that you aren't getting the sunless tanner on the palms of your hands. If anybody out there watching has ever done sunless tanner in your life, you know that no matter how many times you wash your hands and scrub them, that after applying sunless tanner, you always end up with orange palms. It's like unavoidable. I don't want to look like I just applied sunless tanner. I want it to look as natural as possible. So this mitt is a lifesaver, and it comes in the kit, so it's already part of the bundle, which is really, really nice. Next up in the Sunny Honey Bali bronzing kit is actually going to be the bronzing face drops. So that's the box that they come packaged in. The bottle of the face drops looks like this. And what's really, really nice about having a separate item to do your face is that you don't have to worry, because they have carefully formulated the face drops to be non-comedogenic so that they don't block your pores and cause breakouts, which is so amazing. The other nice thing is that they're buildable, so it's an actual buildable color. So when you're done getting out of the shower, exfoliating, doing all the things that you need to do, shaving, you would just get out of the shower and you would apply whatever your normal moisturizer is to the palm of your hand, and then you can apply 1 to 2 pumps of the Coco Eve face drops, and you actually blend it in your hand. You mix it together with your moisturizer, and then you apply it evenly to your face and to your neck or décolleté. The benefit of that is that you still get the moisturizer that you like, that you use, that's good for your skin type, and the product itself is non-comedogenic, so it's not going to interfere with your skin or make you break out. I am extremely sensitive to new products, and I had really horrible breakouts in my 20s, and I'm always still to this day terrified to try new things on my face. But because this product is made with such amazing ingredients, I felt confident giving it a shot, and I have not experienced a single breakout from the product. The face drops are actually something that if you're looking to get an even deeper glow, or maybe you're somebody whose face doesn't tan as much as your body or your chest, you can actually apply it every couple of days with your moisturizer to get a buildable effect. The face drops are really subtle, even though I got the dark color, and obviously my skin looks tan, I don't feel like it looks unnatural. One of my favorite things about this product is that as it's starting to fade, and that usually takes like 7 to 10 days, it just sort of depends on how often you're exfoliating, shaving, and showering. I would say around 7 to 10 days, you'll start to see that color fade, but when it does, I love that it fades naturally. So you don't get splotchy, you don't get patchy. I know like with the Jergens, the buildable natural glow, like the lotion that they have, I get literally like splotches of skin. It looks like I have some sort of weird skin condition. And this product doesn't have that at all. In fact, I've never even really noticed that it's fading until I start looking a little more pale in my face and feel like I need to start putting on a little bit of makeup. So it really does have a beautifully even, natural look. And even as it's fading, you're not seeing chunks and patches and discoloration. It just sort of naturally fades. The other cool thing that comes in the kit, and you can use this for different things, but it's this cute little kabuki brush. It is a vegan brush for anybody that's wondering, and it has silky fine bristles to sweep the formula, whether it's the face drops or the body formula. So like those really hard to blend places. So maybe, you know, your wrists or, you know, near your hands or knuckles or your feet, ankles, knees, elbows, all of those places that sunless tanners tend to be sort of tricky. This is an amazing way to do some blending so that you get even coverage. You can also use it for your face. Those are all of the things that come in the kit. So the bundle typically will retail for $73.90. Now, that is a little bit pricey, but in the past, I have spent well over $75 into the $100 range for my Saint-Tropez, and this stuff works so much better and smells so much better and has way better, higher quality ingredients that I can trust. Oftentimes, they have sales, so you can definitely catch a good deal. I know right now, as of the date that I'm recording this, they actually have a deal where the kit is $46.90, so I think that's like 35 or 37% off. I would definitely say like wait for a sale. I will definitely be sure to link a promo code in the description box below. They have so many other products too. This is just sort of like the starter kit that I ordered to see how I would like it. You could buy each of the products independently. The bundle's just gonna be a better deal. So if that's out of your budget and maybe you just wanna start with the face drops, or maybe you just wanna start with the body product and use it on your face, you can do that too. There's probably a reason that they made the face drops. So I would say it's best to just not cut corners, get the kit, and then from there, if you need to replenish items as you go along, that you could buy like the a la carte pieces. Much like any other sunless tanner on the market, here are the steps. So you're first going to wanna get in the shower, you're going to want to exfoliate, shave, clean everything, make sure that your skin has a perfect canvas to do the application. That is going to ensure that you have the best result from your Coco Eve product. Step 2, you're going to apply. Step 3 is obviously to use the mitt and the kabuki brush that are included in the kit. The nice thing about the mitt is you could even ask somebody in your household to do it, because now they'll be more receptive to helping you because they don't have to worry about getting an orange palm. Step 4 is allow it to develop. So like I said, wait that 20 to 30 minutes, try to wear looser fitting clothing after you've applied it, and then it is 2 hours to fully develop, but you're welcome to wear it longer and wait till the next day to shower it off. Step 5 is to shower. So that will remove any residue or anything left over from the product, any excess bronzing formula. You will see a lot of that shower off with you, and it doesn't stain the tub or anything like that. It just rinses right away. Step 6 is to moisturize. Moisturizing is extremely important to maintain the results of your sunless tanner. So definitely make make sure that you are moisturizing daily and caring for your skin just like you would if you weren't using the tanner, if not better. In closing, my honest opinion of this brand is that it is superior to any other product that I've ever tried. I don't know that I will ever go back to any of the other products that I've tried in the past, simply because the ingredients in this are superior to anything that I've ever had. I can, with confidence, say that this is the healthiest sunless tanning solution available on the market right now. I definitely think that it's worth trying if you're in the market for a sunless tanner. Overall, I'm just really impressed, and I'm so happy that I gave this brand an opportunity. If this is your first time landing on my channel and this is the type of content that you like, I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure that you hit that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. I want to thank everybody again for joining me. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.